Did you know that blueberries can become a super supplement when you combine them with the right foods? Most people eat blueberries alone, but when you pair them with certain nutrients, their health benefits multiply, especially for seniors over 60. Today, I'm going to share 3 powerful foods that, when eaten with blueberries, can improve memory, protect your heart, reduce inflammation, and even support stronger bones. The power of blueberries. Blueberries are loaded with anthocyanins, plant compounds that give them their deep blue color. These anthocyanins reduce oxidative stress, which can slow down aging at the cellular level. This is especially important for seniors because oxidative damage is linked to memory loss, heart disease, and arthritis. 2. Brain health benefits. Studies show that blueberries can improve communication between brain cells. They may delay age-related cognitive decline and help with memory retention. Seniors who eat blueberries regularly have been found to perform better in memory and learning tests. 3. Heart and circulation. Blueberries help keep blood vessels flexible and improve nitric oxide production, which supports healthy blood pressure. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles and brain. 4. Anti-inflammatory action. Chronic inflammation is a silent health destroyer in aging. Blueberries naturally lower markers of inflammation, helping with joint pain, stiffness, and swelling. The 3 foods that boost blueberry power. We'll dedicate about 13 to 14 minutes per food, including science, senior-specific benefits, and how to eat them together. Food 1, Greek yogurt, protein plus probiotics. Why it works with blueberries. Greek yogurt is high in protein, especially casein and whey, which helps slow the absorption of blueberry sugars, making it senior-friendly for blood sugar control. The probiotics in yogurt support gut health, which improves nutrient absorption, including antioxidants from blueberries. Senior-specific benefits. Muscle preservation. The protein helps prevent sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. Bone health. Yogurt provides calcium and vitamin D to strengthen bones. Better digestion. Probiotics help reduce constipation and bloating, common in seniors. How to combine. Make a simple blueberry yogurt bowl, half a cup blueberries plus 3/4 cup Greek yogurt plus sprinkle of cinnamon. Perfect as a breakfast or evening snack. Extra tip. Choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt to avoid added sugar spikes. Food 2, walnuts, omega-3 plus healthy fats. Why it works with blueberries. Healthy fats from walnuts help your body absorb fat-soluble antioxidants in blueberries more efficiently. Walnuts contain alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 that improves brain and heart health. Senior-specific benefits. Brain protection. Omega-3s may reduce the risk of dementia and Alzheimer's. Joint health. Anti-inflammatory action eases arthritis pain. Heart support. Lowers LDL cholesterol and keeps arteries flexible. How to combine. Mix a small handful of walnuts with fresh blueberries for a quick snack. Or add crushed walnuts on top of a blueberry yogurt parfait. Extra tip. Soak walnuts overnight to improve digestion and nutrient availability. Food 3, dark chocolate, 70% plus cocoa. Why it works with blueberries. Dark chocolate is rich in flavonoids, which work synergistically with blueberry anthocyanins to supercharge antioxidant activity. Both improve blood flow by relaxing blood vessels. Senior-specific benefits. Better circulation, supports leg and brain blood flow, reducing cold feet and improving mental clarity. Mood boost, increases serotonin and endorphin levels, reducing feelings of depression. Blood pressure control, helps maintain healthy vessel function. How to combine. Make a blueberry chocolate treat, melt a small amount of 70% cocoa dark chocolate, mix in blueberries, and let them set in the fridge. Perfect as a guilt-free dessert. Extra tip. Keep portions small, around 20-30 g of dark chocolate, to avoid excess caffeine or sugar. Why blueberries are a senior superfood. Antioxidants and aging. Blueberries are one of the highest antioxidant fruits. Their deep blue pigment comes from anthocyanins, powerful plant compounds that fight free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that damage your cells, a process called oxidative stress. Over time, oxidative stress speeds up aging, contributes to diseases like Alzheimer's, heart disease, and arthritis. 2. Brain benefits. Research from the University of Exeter found that older adults who drank concentrated blueberry juice daily had improved brain blood flow and memory tests. Blueberries support neuroplasticity, your brain's ability to form new connections. They may also slow down age-related cognitive decline by reducing inflammation in brain tissue. 3. Heart and circulation. Anthocyanins improve endothelial function, the ability of blood vessels to relax and widen. Better circulation means more oxygen to your legs, feet, and brain, especially important for seniors dealing with cold hands/feet or memory fog. Section 3. Practical tips for seniors. 1. Eat fresh or frozen. Frozen blueberries retain most nutrients and are often more affordable. 2. Portion control. Half a cup of blueberries per day is enough to get benefits without too much sugar. 3. Morning advantage. Eating blueberries in the morning can help stabilize energy and improve focus for the day. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone over 60 who loves blueberries. You might save their gut, brain, or arteries. Subscribe to Wise Age Well for more weekly videos on natural aging, nutrition, and mobility.